Well, hello, weather fans. Tricky B here from Tricky B Weather, not your best source in blog-worthy weather observations. As you saw, we have a big pile of stuff over there. That stuff's normally over here on the deck. But what's going on the deck? Well, we finished painting the computer/studio that we talked about a few days ago. I haven't given you a tour yet. Maybe when it's raining, I can give you an inside tour. But we're restaining the deck. So today, I've put up plastic, which is falling down because we had a thunderstorm. And sprayed deck stripper on all of this, and then rinsed it all off. A lot of it still is going to have to get a second coat, I think. Right there, that's just water. Didn't finish the entire deck because we kind of pushed stuff over here. And then we'll have to push it back. There's my buddy Rufus. Rufus doesn't talk a lot. It's strange, really. Today I'm enjoying a wonderful Kettle One vodka martini with two big, plump, juicy olives. Don't they look wonderful? Don't you just like want to stick your head between them? I know I do. Tomorrow I have to do the pergola. That's going to be tough because this deck cleaner stuff just rains down on your head. I have to decide if I'm going to pull up all the little 1/4-inch plastic tubes or just let them get kind of gunky from it. Look at that beautiful sunset over there. Are you getting the beautiful sunset?
Yeah, I just zoomed. Whoa, it looks so cool when you zoom in on it. See, look.
Yeah, it does look good. Try to hold it steady. I love these glasses. They're fantastic. And of course, these olives. I have one of these brooms that you attach to your hose.
Where'd you put the... Oh, there's the hose broom. Could we, like, hook up the hose and show them how it works?
No, they don't care. And you can rub your deck like this with the hose and rinse it all off and everything. And you got to kind of let it dry, though. I learned if you put the deck stripper stuff down when it's wet, then you're pushing a lot of buttons there, cowboy. If you put the deck stripper stuff down when it's wet, then it just dilutes it. It doesn't really work that well. So I got a few spots, like this spot here, for instance. You can't see it from over there. You might have to come around here, Turn on the light, probably. You don't feel the need to zoom constantly, okay? Look, here, see these? These little streaks. Back up. Get too close. See, it dripped a bit there.
The light does make a difference.
And I sprayed it again, but it didn't do any good because it was wet. The missus is out playing viola right now with her quartet. She likes to do that.
It goes practically all the way. That's the worst.
We have we had a very large wasp nest, as it turns out, underneath the deck right over here.
Really?
Yeah. I was like taking the railings off. Dude, you're like walking around and just holding the camera. I hear thunder.
No, that's an airplane.
Nope, that's thunder.
Really?
No, we don't have any airplanes.
Maybe it's coming from over there.
Allegiant Air. They no longer service the Fort Collins Loveland Airport.
Why not? Those were like the only ones that ever flew there. They flew to... What did they flew to?
They flew to Las Vegas.
And Phoenix.
4 times a week, and Phoenix twice a week.
So they flew to Vegas and Phoenix.
The famous 24 Hours of Vegas, where you used to get on Allegiant. Dude, don't pull up your undershorts and then just like wave the thing around, okay? I can get your sister and she can giggle the whole
I can
time.
see you. So, I can...
But I was using the drill to take the railings off of there, the little hand grip railings, and it was vibrating.
These things?
Well, you know, there's usually an actual round rail.
And there's also a spider there.
What are you doing with the camera?
That's a really big spider.
You're like pointing it over
Why is there a really big spider? That is a really big spider.
Yeah, it's a good sized spider.
I'm going to walk.
But then all these they were, I think, European paper wasps. They look like yellow jackets, but they don't live underground. These I don't know. They live under the deck, but I think they live on the bottom of the deck probably. The European paper wasps this year have been terrible. I used up all my wasp spray. I killed about 12 of them. They just kept coming out. I kept pounding on the deck like this, and more would come out. I should be careful because I'm out of wasp spray when I'm pounding on the deck. I got most of them, but I saw 3 or 4 of them were still kind of hanging out afterwards.
You are out.
Yeah, I'm out. I used up all the wasp spray. Focus, buddy. You got to watch the camera. You can't screw around. You got to watch the camera. Okay, that's your one job. You don't
Stop moving. You're going off the screen.
That's because you're zoomed in too far.
No, I'm not. I'm zoomed all the way out.
There's a bird.
Where's the bird?
Oh, flew away.
Yeah.
It's dove season. I didn't go to opening day because it was yesterday. I don't want to go to opening day on a Saturday. There's no doves anywhere you can shoot them. There's hundreds of them in our yard. I stood there in the driveway and watched like 30 of them fly by. But I can't shoot them in my driveway.
Why not?
There's all these houses. You're not allowed to hunt inside of rural subdivisions or suburban subdivisions.
What does subdivision mean?
It means you've got the land all cut up into little squares and everybody owns one. That's where houses are usually built. I don't have anything else to say. So this is Tricky Bee from Tricky Bee Weather or Not, your best source and blog-worthy weather observations. We are not a forecasting site. No meteorology is practiced on this site. See the links on the side. There aren't any there either. I think there's one to AccuWeather down to the left over there. Unless you're watching this on YouTube.
The left would be.
No, they'll be watching me. See, and I'll look just like this, and it'll be right there on the left.
That's the right screen.
You're right. My left. I'm down on the right. Down on the right.
So my left, the viewer's right.
Shut up.
No, your left, the viewer's right.
Yeah, I'm going to leave you with that. We'll just sort of watch the clouds. We'll turn off the light and enjoy the peacefulness of the humming of the hot tub motor. Tricky Bee signing out.